Welcome to CertBlaster. In this session, we'll cover the question types you will see on the Linux Plus 𝐿X0103 and 𝐿X0104. They are multiple choice with a single answer. That'll be question 1. Multiple answer will be question 2. And the dreaded fill in the blank will be question 3. Now we can get to it. First question is, which init system is covered by a copyright license agreement that contributors must sign in order to have their contributions included upstream? Of your choices, System D is not copyrighted. It is used in most Linux distributions as a bootstrap for the user space and then subsequently as a daemon manager, replacing sysv init. Sysv init, an upgrade for init, is a long-standing bootstrap loader and manager that has been replaced by System D in nearly all distributions. Init is a system process that's not copyrighted. It is the first process started after the kernel and runs as a daemon until the system is shut down. It has been upgraded by System D and subsequently sysv init. Upstart is the correct answer here, as it is copyrighted. This is a bone of contention and is not considered to be in the spirit in which the Linux community wants to work. Upstart is covered by a copyright license agreement that contributors must sign if they want their contributions included upstream. Many Debian developers are unwilling to sign such an agreement, in part because of the asymmetry of the agreement in question. They also object to core packages being covered by such terms that they do not contribute under. Upstart was introduced in 2006 with the release of Ubuntu 6.1, and at that time Upstart replaced, on some systems, sysv init, which in its turn was considered an upgrade of init. Now we'll look at the next one. This one requires 2 correct responses. You'll see square answer boxes as opposed to the circular radio buttons of a single answer question. Which letters within the mode indicate that either the SUID or the SGID has been set on a file? Choose 2. In the file attributes, the SUID covers user permissions and the SGID covers groups. A lowercase s in the file attributes indicates it will run as the user who owns it as opposed to the user who is running it. A lowercase w in the file indicates that the user can write to the file. A lowercase x in the file attributes indicates that the file is executable by the user or group. A capital S in the user field indicates that the setuid bit is on and the X bit for the owner is off or denied. This is probably a mistake, prompting the capitalization of the attribute to draw attention. A lowercase r in the file attributes indicates that the file is readable. Both the upper and lowercase s is the correct response. Now we're going to examine the question type that creates the most anxiety at the test center. Fill in the blank. Your response has to be entered in a manner that can be understood by the operating system. This means capitalization or lack thereof is crucial, as is attention to details in the question. Even though the order of the flags on a command do not have any specified order, pay attention to the order the flags are presented in to be safe. It should not matter, but there is no solid information about what is expected on the test. Here's the question. The command to print the contents of a directory to the screen without modification is the command indicated in the question is ls with no modifications or flags. The key to getting these correct is carefully reading the question itself and not doing what you would usually do. For example, you would probably add -LA to the ls command to get the hidden files. But the question doesn't mention it and expressly states without modification. So the correct answer here is simply ls. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. And there's more free content on our website, www.CertBlaster.com.